Right guys, the edge shed, and I'm having trouble with these brakes. Now I decided I'm going to modify it. I'm going to go over to a single system. Now I don't know whether you're anywhere aware of this, but obviously the Volvo system is really quite complicated. I mean, I actually never seen it so sunny in my whole life. Unless these are ran the wrong way, I've no idea, but I don't think they can be. I have realised that if you drill a hole through the middle of this one and you blank that off, then you still got to drill a hole through this one and that one. So what I've done is that one's already got a hole through it. So my plan is to basically just drill one hole in this one, and then when they're back together, like so, and that's on the top, the fluid will go into the top one, into this cylinder, through that cylinder, into that one, into this one, and bang, and with a bleed nipple at the end. And that's it. Just no different than anything else. And I've got bleed nipples everywhere. I've got 4 bleed nipples in the bloody thing. I don't get the air out, nothing will. Now, the trick is, you've got to drill a hole like that. Very difficult without the drills that you got. But basically, I got a hole and I got one through, like that. I did get a little bit of a rub up here. It's not going to hurt me, I don't think. Not too worried about that on there. It's just because I've got no long drills. And the long drills I've got are very small, so you need a very big drill to catch that hole. It must be done on some really, like, you can see the angle of it. I mean, I got the angles perfect if you can get it. You can get the bleeding thing in there to it, but I just can't get in there to it. So I've gone with the best I can and may do. But as it stands at the moment, guys, I'm quite chuffed with that, because it hasn't made any difference to the thickness of the caliper. And to be honest, I mean, once it's on, it's on. It's been done many, many times. I did it on a few cars in America. I never did it over here, and I don't know why. Maybe because I got the calipers rebuilt by my mate, so when he rebuilt them, I never sort of mentioned, oh, by the way, do you want to drill a hole through the side of the caliper wall? And he'd go, no, I don't. So, anyway, for all the people out there who've wondered this over these years, I think this is a safer method. The simple is this: if you do the 2 pipes into a T-piece, you've got no room under there for steering. You've got no room under there for the flexi. And flexi and the track will end are going to make up. You've got so much stuff and too much pipe work. So I think this is the easier option. And if I drill one hole and put a bleed nipple in there, then that should be good enough. Alright, a bit too many bleed nipples, but so what? You never have enough nipples, can you? Like Scaramanga said. So, leave it with me for now. I've got to clean all this lot up and obviously get the other one dismantled, ready to do. Not looking forward to it. It is very, very touch and go. So, needless to say, I haven't had a drink for 3 days, which I think is achievable. I'm going to try to stay with it today. So, talk to you soon. Bye for now. And by the way, like and subscribe.